What is up, everybody? This is Kobe Pope, owner and creator of Wolf Self Care Products. Happy Mag Facts Monday. Today, we're going to be discussing a few different topics regarding magnesium, starting off with cancer, the Magnesome, which is considered the name given to a set of proteins containing multiple binding sites for magnesium ions. Magnesium in the immune system, polio, prostate, senility and aging, alcoholism, magnesium, and body odor. So starting off with magnesium and cancer, Dr. Delbit felt like magnesium acts like a brake on cancer cell replication. He also observed that as the body grows older and more deficient in magnesium, and with the loss of magnesium, there is a decrease in vitality, resistance, and cell regeneration. He doesn't believe that it is a cure for cancer, but it can be protective. And there's a whole bunch of different. They were looking at people with pancreatic cancer. Adding magnesium supplementation to their diet was beneficial in preventing the disease. Magnesium reduces a man's risk in colon cancer. Okay, there's another instance with breast cancer. And on to the next topic, we're talking about the magnesome. The magnesome was a name given to a set of proteins containing multiple binding sites for magnesium ions. Magnesium bonding sites are very common in proteins and help direct their structure and function. Magnesium is in a unique position to alter the structure and function of human proteins. Magnesome research helps us understand exactly why our genes are not in total control of our bodies. They depend on minerals and vitamins to alter their expression. The more important aspect of genetic research is epigenetic control of these genes by the environment, including their nutrients in the environment, like magnesium that can switch genes on and off. And magnesium in the immune system. A paper presented to the French Academy of Medicine in September 1915. Delbert describes the effect on white blood cells of a solution of magnesium chloride injected into the veins of dogs. White blood cells from blood samples taken before and after injection were tested for their microbe killing ability. Reports that 500 white blood cells in the first sample destroyed 245 microbes, while 500 white blood cells in the second destroyed 681. This increase in microbe killing under the influence of magnesium chloride was 180% greater. More experiments showed 129 increase and another 333%. And then with polio is not what it once was, but it was a bad disease in the 1920s. It's convinced that the effectiveness of magnesium chloride insists that every home should have a solution of magnesium chloride on hand to treat the first signs of a sore throat, especially when stiffness and the neck is involved. His formula was 20 grams of magnesium chloride to 1 liter of water. And then with prostate, there is no medical cure for the enlargement of prostate, benign prostatic hypertrophy, or BPH, which leads to frequent nighttime urination. However, in 1930, Dr. Delbert and another doctor made two separate presentations to the Medical Academy of France showing that magnesium chloride could adequately treat this condition. And when we think of hypertrophy or enlargement, we think of inflammation. What helps inflammation? Magnesium. Senility and aging, it appears French researchers were very aware of this problem caused by calcium precipitating into the tissue of the body. Dr. Delbert observed that with age, the body's tissues have 3 times more calcium than magnesium, and he concluded that magnesium deficiency plays a role in senility. Alcoholism. Dr. Delbert came to the conclusion that a major cause of alcoholism is magnesium deficiency. Presently, there is little research being done on this association, and even less on the clinical application of magnesium in this treatment of alcoholism. This is in spite of the fact that that medical researchers are aware that this association of alcoholism with magnesium deficiency. Magnesium and body odor. There's no scientific studies about the effects of magnesium on body odor, but Rodell reported in his book that Delbert considered body odor to be due to an imbalance in the normal intestinal bacteria and the magnesium, and that magnesium somehow restored the balance. Rodell later collected many anecdotal reports about the reduction of underarm odor, stool odor, and general body odor in people taking magnesium. So that is all I got for you guys today. Happy Mag Facts Monday. You know where to shop for the best supplements, www.wvlfcer.com. Stay hip, stay warm. Thank you guys for watching and shop with me. Thank you.